You built a website. Maybe you paid good money for it. Maybe you spent weeks writing content. But when you search for your business on Google, nothing. You're invisible. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Studies show that 96.55% of all pages on the internet get zero organic traffic from Google. Only 3.45% of pages receive any search traffic at all. So today I'm going to tell you exactly why your website isn't ranking and, more importantly, exactly how to fix it. Let's go. The first reason, and this one shocks a lot of people, is that Google might not even know your website exists. If Google can't access or index your site, it won't appear in search results at all. Common causes include a robots.txt file accidentally blocking search crawlers, a no-index tag placed on your pages, or an incomplete XML sitemap. I've seen business owners spend 6 months writing content that Google couldn't even read, all because of one wrong setting left on from development. The fix? Open Google Search Console right now. Check if your pages are actually indexed. That's your starting point. Everything else is useless until this is confirmed. Reason number 2. Your site is slow. And this one kills rankings fast. Page speed is a confirmed Google ranking factor. And 53% of mobile users abandon a page that takes more than 3 seconds to load. Think about that. More than half your visitors are gone before they even see your content. Google's core web vitals are direct ranking signals. Your LCP, that's how fast your main content loads, needs to be under 2.5 seconds. The most common causes of failure are uncompressed images, too many third-party scripts, slow hosting, and no content delivery network. Go to PageSpeed Insights, type in your URL, and see your score. If it's under 50, that's your problem right there. Reason 3. You're targeting the wrong keywords. This is probably the most common mistake I see. If you're choosing keywords with low search volume or extremely high competition, your chances of ranking drop to almost zero. A brand new website trying to rank for digital marketing is like a rookie trying to fight the heavyweight champion. You're not ready for that fight yet. Build your initial rankings around long-tail keywords and problem-based queries. These have lower competition and attract visitors with higher purchase intent. Instead of digital marketing, try affordable digital marketing for small businesses in Texas. Specific, targeted, winnable. Reason 4. Your content is thin. And Google hates thin content. Pages that rank well in 2026 for competitive terms typically run between 1,500 and 2,500 words and provide genuine depth that a reader could not find elsewhere in 5 seconds. A 300-word page is not going to cut it. But here's the part most people miss: it's not just about length. 5 detailed expert articles will outperform 50 thin ones. Volume without quality backfires in 2026. Write content that actually solves the problem your reader came with. Go deeper than your competitors. That's what Google rewards now. Reason 5. You have no backlinks. And without them, Google has no reason to trust you. Backlinko's analysis of 11.8 million Google search results found that the number 1 result has an average of 3.8 times more backlinks than positions 2 through 10. Backlinks are basically other websites vouching for you. The more trusted sites that link to you, the more Google trusts you. But here's what people get wrong. Link quality matters far more than link quantity in 2026. One backlink from a reputable industry website is worth more than 50 links from random low-quality blogs. Focus on getting featured in relevant blogs, directories, and local publications. Quality over quantity, every time. Reason 6. Your website looks terrible on a phone. And that's a massive problem because Google uses mobile-first indexing. It ranks your site based on how it performs on mobile, not desktop. If your site is not fully responsive, you are penalizing your rankings every single day. Go to Google's mobile-friendly test right now, type in your URL, and see what Google actually sees when it looks at your site on mobile. If elements are broken, text is too small, or buttons are too close together, fix that before anything else. In 2026, mobile is not optional. It's the baseline. Subscribe to Rank Flip and press the bell icon for weekly SEO, AEO, and digital marketing tips that help you rank in Google and get cited by AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity.